and it is Hannah Crichton.
Hello! Hello!
Can I help you, ma'am?
Yes, I need to know which one of my friends died. You gotta let me in.
What's your name?
Her name's Hannah Crichton. Father, don't take her.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, only family's allowed to see you right now.
No, you don't understand. I am family. We're like sisters. Please let me in.
Follow me.
You give me at least more time. No, it's too late. Tomorrow's too late. You always said tomorrow.
I said Lord.
I tried to invite you to church, but you wouldn't listen. We partied all the time. I was sad all the time. It's too late now. Hannah! Why? Hannah! Hannah!
Jesus said, here I stand, won't you please take my hand? And you said